Hello everyone, welcome to Rahman's Coding once again, and this is our third tutorial with regards to anchor tag. So today we will learn how to give anchor tag to the image file, and along with that we will learn how to navigate or link to an external website. Means firstly we will learn if you click on any link or button, it will redirect you to the image will open. And secondly we will learn how we can just click on the link and it will take us to the external website. So let's begin with it. First of all, let's open one index.html file, or I will just keep the name as img.html. Yeah, okay, yeah, because we are linking the image, so okay, fine. So I will have given this name. All right, and let's generate a boilerplate code, and document I say my my image link. Okay, and now we will give anchor tag and href hyper reference to it. Okay, and now I will give the image file. So the name of, okay, I have already created one folder in which all my images are there. I will just show it to you. If you see over here, there's an image file and it has my image. Okay, so first would be the image folder where I have 4 images, img.1, img2, img3, img4. All right, so this is it. Let's move on to our HTML file. Here we go, and now I will give name as folder img and slash img1.jpg. okay, and let's give the link name as my image link. All right, so here we go. I will just save it. Now I will show you how it looks like on our Chrome browser. So here we go. If we click on my image link, it will redirect you to the image. Okay, so here we can link our image. Now let's moving on to, I will show you now how to link with an external website. Hyperreference, and then we will give the address to the external website like http://google.com. And we can create a button, okay, so that when you click on that button and it will redirect you. So link to Google. Okay, so this is my button name I have given. Okay, I will save it. Now let's go to our Google Chrome. Okay, here we go, and when you click here, it will redirect you to your google.com. So friends, I hope that you like this video, and I will appreciate if you subscribe it. Thank you so much. Have a great day.